Sorry guys about the last videos. It's like automatically it's closed, like some camera's problem. But here again I am to teach you the lecture number 2 of standard 3 unit 8 about the Mon and the monster. So here it is the story about one Mon. Mon is a boy and a monster like a pet. He just think it's an imaginary creature that is large, ugly and frightened. So it is the story about one night in the dim darkness of his room. Then Mon he just heard something voice from under his bed. Then he just asked that, Mon asked that, who's that? Then monster said in a loud voice, in a painful voice, that I'm here. Then monster, where are you? Then Mon asked that, monster, where are you? Where are you hide? Then the monster replied that I'm under the bed, obviously, with a dusty old suitcase. I'm in dusty old suitcase with a pair of smelly blue socks. Oh, so that's where those socks are. But why are you under the bed? Then the monk asked, oh, that's where I just kept that socks. But what are you doing under the bed? Mon asked with the monster. How do I know? That's where monsters always are. Some stupid monster rules, I suppose. Then the Mon said that how I know that where all monsters are always. How stupid questions are there and how stupid rules I suppose to follow. Then again one monster rule number 42 is there in page number 93. When a monster is sent to the human world, it has to hide under the bed. So here is what monster rule is there. When some monster, if it is sent to some human beings, then they have to hide under the bed. If there is no bed, it can hide under a cupboard or any other suitable piece of furniture. So if monster rule is written also that if no bed is there, then the monster they can hide under a cupboard or any other suitable piece of furniture. If there is no suitable piece of furniture, it should look for a dark corner. Then if there is no suitable furniture, then the monster they should look for a dark corner where nobody can see that monster. Then Mon flashed the light under the bed. Then Mon he just flashed from the torch, he just flashed the light under the bed. But I can't see you. Then Mon said that to the monster that I can't see you. That another monster rule, you can see me if you draw me. Then the monster said that my again monster rule is there that if you want to see me, then first of all you have to draw me, then you can see me. Then but I can't only draw you if I see you, said Mon confused. Then of course we know that for drawing something we have to look, first of all we have to see that, then after we can draw anything like a house or tree or something. So here again the Mon said that before how I can draw you if I couldn't see you. The monster just he confused and he said that I can draw you only when I can see you, then after I can draw you. Then if you don't draw me, I will have to stay invisible forever. Then the monster said to Mon that if you will not draw me, then I will stay invisible. Invisible means that we cannot see that monster until we will draw the monster picture. Then you have to draw me, the monster shouted. Then for see that monster, the monster he just started shouting to the Mon that you have to draw me. Then after I just see you and I just come in front of you. It's the monster rule. If you disobey it, you will turn into a suitcase. Then the monster said that it's the monster rules. You can't disobey that rules. You can't not follow that rules. If you will not follow the rules, then you will turn into a suitcase. So you have to follow the monster rules. So before follow the monster rules, before see me, you have to draw me. Then I can see you. Then you can see me. The monster said to Mon. Otherwise, if you will not draw me, then you will stay invisible forever. Or if you will not obey my rules, then you will turn into a suitcase. But how I can draw you when I don't know how you look? Then the Mon said that, then how I can draw you when I don't know how to look you? Exactly. If we want to draw something and if you don't know that how we can draw that person, first of all we have to see, then we have to draw that pictures. Then here Mon exactly said the same things, that how can I draw you when I don't know that how you look? I can describe myself, can't I? Then you can draw me. Then the monster replied to Mon that I can describe myself, how my eyes looks, how my mouth, how my hands looks. Then you can't able to draw me. Then Mon was not at all sure about this. Once in art class he had drawn a horse and the teacher had thought it was a map of Maharashtra. So Mon is what he was not sure, because once upon a time in his art class the teacher has told to draw a horse picture. Then he drawn the horse picture, but it's look like but the teacher thought that it's look like it was a map of Maharashtra. So can you imagine that if he saw that horse, then after he cannot draw that picture. But after explaining that how he can draw that monster picture, because once in art class he drawn a horse, but the teacher had thought that it was a map of Maharashtra. So now he labeled all his drawings carefully, and even then his art teacher always wrote Ha on his paper. After that he labeled that his all drawing carefully, and then after his art the teacher wrote in his paper, art teacher, Ha. Still he didn't feel like turning into a boring suitcase. And then after also he just remembered in his art class, after that he didn't feel like that he could turn into a boring suitcase, because if he will not draw the picture of monster, then in monster rule is there that Mon can change into a suitcase. So he got out his crayons and paper or waited for the monster to describe itself. Then afterward he just took out his all crayons and paper, and he just waited for the monster, that when the monster will describe himself, so that the Mon can explain so Mon can draw his picture on a paper. The monster began to sing in a high-pitched, horrible voice. Then the monster, he just started to sing a song in a very high pitch and in a horrible voice, means like a very horrible voice. Eyes like frames and nose like pails, ears like horns and teeth like nails. A scary, fearsome sight to see. Monster, monster, monster me. Then he just started to sing one poem, and then the Mon he just started to draw. Then the monster he described himself that eyes like a frames and nose like a pails like nose like a buckets, ears like a horns and teeth like a nails. A scary fierce sight to see. Monster, monster me. Then he just described himself in poem, and then after the Mon he just started to draw the picture of monster. A skull-shaped mole on rock like chin, long green hair and purple skin. In the dark you will scheme to see. Monster, monster me. Then after he just said that my shape is like a rock, like chin and purple skin. So in the dark you just become frightened to see me. Monster, monster, that's me. Drum shaped chest, his chest is like a drum shape, and arms like trees, and his arms is like a trees. Bamboo likes the trees, and feet like skis. Terrifying as can be, monster, monster, monster. So he just explained, the monster explained that my chest is like a drum shape, my arms is like a trees, bamboo legs is like a bamboos, and feet is like a skit. So it's like a terrifying monster, monster, that's me. Then he just explained himself, monster. He just explained himself in this poem, and the moon. He just started to draw the picture. You can see, you have a book, then you can see page number 95. He just drawn this type of picture. Then you see that his ear is like a horn, and then his arms is like trees, bamboos, his legs is like a bamboo, his chest is like a drum. So like that he just made the monster pics. Then what happened, that in this chapter, till there I have taught you till poem. Then what happened, that I will teach you in the next classes. So please read the chapter, and if you find some difficult words, then you can write down the meaning and find the meaning from dictionary, and then you can write down it in your fair copy. Till that, take care of yourself, protect yourself from these virus. Please stay at home, read the chapter, do not go outside, and please do not skip the videos when you are watching and your online classes. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.